we guide you through how to find blocked numbers on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app, scroll down and tap phone. Then look for the options labeled block contacts or call blocking and identification depending on your iOS version. Once you tap that, you'll immediately see the full list of numbers you blocked. If you want to unblock someone, you just tap edit in the top right corner and hit the red minus icon next to the number, then confirm by tapping unblock. You can also add new numbers to this list anytime by scrolling down and selecting add new. This is useful if you want to prevent unwanted calls, spam, or unknown contacts from reaching you. Keep in mind that blocked numbers won't be able to call, text, or FaceTime you, and you won't receive any notifications from them. If you're trying to check if a specific number is blocked, just scan through this list or use the search feature if available on your device. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find and manage blocked numbers on your iPhone.